Thank you all for joining and welcome to this month's online pitch event from Dental Venture Capital. We work with startups, investors, advisors. We do this monthly. Encourage you to sign up for next month's event. I think most of the people on here know me. I've been doing this a long time. More than anything, I love to coach. This pitch event is to give startups opportunities to get in front of people. We are not a venture capital firm, although maybe at some point we help companies go from idea all the way through to exit. So we help people find everything from advisors to consultants that they work with, partners, customers, and the full life cycle. There are so many great resources out there. We provide a lot of different tools, contacts. Again, doing it for 21 years. I was on with Tracy earlier. He told me he works at Royal, and there were 10 people in my phone from Royal that I've worked with. Our ideal client is anybody in the different parts of the life cycle, people that are open to feedback.
Basically, we're talking here about a medical device for dentistry, prosthetics, dental technology, dentures, and of course, we're going to be talking about denturism. And it's my pleasure to share with you this project, which is very groundbreaking. So the problem with dentures, as might know most of the clinicians, are the diminished quality of life for patients. So there is a market out there for what we're looking for is a solution. We're looking for a flexible masticatory denture tooth surface. And here schematically represented is basically a ball and socket, miniaturized attachment that will be fitted into first and second lower molars. And this is the overall product, which you see is finished with an elastomeric material, allowing for the flexion of the occlusal surface. What does it do? Well, basically it provides increased proprioceptive feedback for the denture wearer's comfort and better chewing function. In other words, this product will be reaching international markets as it launches. Now, these trials are essential if we're thinking of any serious market launch in the US or in any industrialized country. And that's part of our ask. The opportunity is around 3 million US, 2 rounds at 270, and the second round at 2.73 million. Thank you.
It will cost you about between $150,000 to $300,000 per year. Depending on the market or the specific role of the data scientist. How much are you paying them? Millions of dollars. Our proposition is very simple. We want to cut down that cost for you by between 70 to 80%. 70 to 80% cost reduction is what we are offering. And how do we achieve that? We've created this software, the advanced data analysis tool that integrates 3 major pillars of data science: data engineering, data visualization, and then data analysis. When we bring all these together and still are able to charge less than $100 per user per year for a month, okay, $100 per user per month, then what we are going to do is to reduce that cost for you greatly by between 70 to 80%. Well, our system does not allow that. We don't code so that anyone, anywhere can do their coding on their own without any difficulty or struggle. If they want to scale, we want to get millions of people all over the world to be able to use our system and thereby expanding the frontiers of data science, artificial intelligence, and all forms of analytics. Campaign closes in 4 days. And then we're also looking for a co-founder who would help us navigate through the complexities of the market.
DentalFlow is really a scheduling solution that came from the need of Care Mobile. And so if you don't know about Care Mobile, mobile van dental service, operating with single chair operatories that can pretty much go anywhere, trying to cover that the dental deserts all across the US, right? It's something that we believe all practices should start looking at when it comes to their business. So we have a direct API integration with the Send. So we're not leveraging those third-party tools to scrape or even RPAs mentioned in the last thing. So Henry Schein actually kind of loves us right now because of that. And so, but thankfully they have a lot of APIs that were available to us. And so even with Care Mobile being the pilot customer, we've already scheduled over 1,500 appointments. I'm already onboarding multiple customers right now. And so we know the tool works, and it's really been helping us be super efficient. And so we discovered over 75% of patients prefer to self-schedule using a mobile app or a website than calling in to speak to a representative. In that same survey, we were also talked to providers and found out that 75% of providers did not offer self-scheduling. We introduced productivity into the algorithm to give every appointment slot a score. And so within DentalFlow, every chair has a productivity goal depending upon the market, the provider, and the appointment types to be provided. what that allows us to do is ensure that patients only see options to self-schedule that are actually still going to help the practice be productive or even be profitable as well. And so we have a threshold in the system of 75% of the productivity goal. And if an appointment slot doesn't meet that goal, it's not presented to a patient, right?
What makes this intelligent is all the data, the 8 million records, the 9 million appointments. So we're tokenizing and normalizing the data from a safety and a HIPAA compliance perspective and using that to make the engine even smarter. We're asking for a decent kind of low amount on a relatively low valuation of 4 to 5 million.
Dentrax is a automated business solution for dental practices. We work as an aggregator for patient management softwares, and we build from within the patient management software, pull the data and provide like actionable intelligence to the users. We give you cloud-based solutions which are optimized to your practice and to your workflows, and we are going to license it as a SaaS product. The problem in the market right now is the biggest of all ever happened, the resource shortage. So that's what we want to tackle with less number of resources and more technology. Inefficiencies in the revenue cycle management and other aspects of a business can cost a business a decrease in like almost 13% of the revenue. We have like 5 modules right now which are fully functional. Dent Verify is an automated eligibility verification tool, which also gives you capability of seeing everything that an insurance company is giving in the form of benefits to a patient in a 2-page form. DentSend helps you with sending the claims out, as well as doing like same real-time statusing of those claims. So you will get alerts after the date of service of the patient is completed within 12 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours, whatever you specify in the onboarding form. DentRev is a tool which helps you to streamline your revenue cycle management issues, dent accounts. It's an automated reconciliation tool. Dencentive is a very futuristic tool. It allows an office to create goals. We are in a big market right now. So what we are trying to get at is a SOM of 57 million. And once we have 10,000 customers by our goal of 2029. We are also looking for funding, and strategic partnership with funding is our ideal objective.
We're transforming the oral care health industry by looking at remineralization technology. And really the overarching challenge to that is the demineralization or the breakdown of the surface enamel over time, leading to surface caries, cavities that go down into the tooth through the dental area, through the tubular channels that give us sensitive issues in the pulp, et cetera. So that outer layer enamel remineralization is a key component to address a lot of the downstream issues. That's really important for the sensitivity issues that so many people experience. So that gives good, strong evidence that not only are you going to build up teeth over time, but you're going to occlude those dentin tubules and promote a sustainable solution for the whitening industry. So not only are we providing remineralization, but also whitening without sensitivity issues. We're just now completing our regulatory analysis and have the 510K assessment going in. We've got dental clinics signed up for next year as pilots, including 425 Dentistry. The owner there sits on the ADA, and we've got partnership agreements with P&G and Amazon underway as well for scaling thereafter. So our ask is 1.75 convertible note. This is what we're moving into with terms, goals, bringing the products to market and expanding to 50 dentists thereafter.
I'm Chris Politzer, CEO and co-founder of Foresight DDS, and tonight I'm excited to introduce Foresight DDS, our AI-assisted platform designed to transform dental practices. We're backed by over 100 years of combined expertise in dental technology, marketing, and operations. We envision a dental industry freed from outdated practices, systems driven by AI to enable smarter decisions and streamline growth. We're the catalyst for transformation, offering premium service and AI-driven insights to empower dental teams to modernize and lead the future. I was also able to add the senior advisor for artificial intelligence to U.S. Congress to my advisory board. Our team, like I said, is backed by over 100 years of combined experience driving hundreds of millions of dollars in revenues across industries. AI without structured data lacks efficiencies and effectiveness We offer a premium onboarding experience similar to something that you would find with Apple. We don't just hand over software. We empower the teams to fully integrate AI for long-term success. So we're seeking $10 million for 10% equity. Necessarily looking for $10 million right up front. We're looking to do it with minimal investors, and then do it through milestone-based investing.
My name is Frank. We have seen lots of problems in digital orthodontics, specifically for design. That's the biggest challenge. It's very time consuming. Average cases can take anywhere from 1 to 5 hours. And it's very technically and clinically challenging. So here's what we do. We have all AI-driven automatic workflow for orthodontic design. It finishes the cases in minutes. So in this short video, you see the one piece of software is capable of doing automatic design for bracket bonding, direct aligner printing, and arch models for thermoforming, making clear aligners, even with cutting paths generated. So here's a typical scenario we have in our clearaligner.ai website. You can see doctors can spend like 2 minutes to submit a case. They can get their design in 5 to 10 minutes. We're looking for partners and advisors.
So I'm Al Farouk, right now starting Power AI. My dentist was generous enough to invite me to his back office. I went there and I saw the most amount of inefficiencies I've ever seen. Faxes, emails, phone calls going back and forth. We went to Antler VC Accelerator, which has a selection rate of less than 0.5%. We got funded by them. We went to the market. We landed more than 20 clinics. We're working with them. So how do we automate it? We automate that in 3 main steps. So we see here that the AI voice agents right now are nearly like indistinguishable from human beings. Our AI calling agents also, like we use them to call patients who have overdue appointments to reactivate them, and we have more than 5% conversion rate. The future that we see is an AI operating system for dental practices where they have AI workforce that are doing the jobs that are currently doing by human beings in the back office. What we're open to partners and strategic investors from the dental market.
Hi, everyone. I'm the founder and the creator of Smilefy. Smilefy is a platform that is focused on smile design and treatment plan chairside. One of the biggest problems that we have right now, chairside, is that the dentists, they have limited control over the treatment plan and the design. So it is chairside treatment planning. It's enhanced visual communication, very important, because if we design a smile in 3D or in 4D with movement, but in 3D, that's exactly what the patient gets. It's the most accurate solution that can be done. The big vision that I have, and we work on the integration, is to have the AI diagnostics. We have around 1,200 clients. We are looking for 2 million. It's a safe round.
Hey everyone, my name is Jason Suggs. I'm with Balanced Pharma. We are a company founded by dentists with a focus and a mission on making dental and medical injections less painful, faster acting, and more reliable. And I'm here tonight to talk to you about Trilo, which is a brand new subsidiary of Balanced Pharma with a focus on long-acting non-opioid analgesics. 94% of patients get opioid prescriptions after wisdom teeth extractions. We have in-licensed patented technology that enables the Enduricane drug to be delivered in a standard dental cartridge for use in oral surgery. This solves all of the problems. They already have a 700 customer list and growing, and that's the kit version. They have a 97% customer retention. And again, we solve the problems. Looking for a $6 million equity investment to reach profitability in as little as 12 months.
So we are Verna Solutions. Been around since about 2018, 2017. Initially started out making medical devices. We developed actually a safety needle called SafeCap. We looked and realized that most offices either don't have solid ordering infrastructure, or if they do, it's very inconsistent. We still have supply shortages, people ordering from 10 different places. So we decided to develop a platform that we call Verna Plus. We sort of take that, we remove the sizable amount of the ordering that gets done, and we look at kind of the 80-20. So we focus on, we carry products that are used in every patient. Last year we did about 1.5 million of revenue. Was really the first year we were doing this. For this safe round that we're trying to promote here, we've raised about $900,000. The goal is to raise an additional 1.5.
I'm Dr. Mark Thorson, retired general dentist, dental innovator, dental educator, and professional dental sales professional. Dental patients want 3 things. Please do a really good job. Please do it very efficiently. And please, please don't hurt me. The Inflatrix. The Inflatrix solves the problem because it is one piece. It goes into place very efficiently and is much more comfortable. This process will build trust for patients and will lead to significant profitability for the doctors. It is simple, efficient, and comfortable. Our initial ask is $40,000. That'll buy us workspace here in beautiful Gillette, Wyoming, and enough raw materials and equipment to build 2,000 units. We'll achieve MVP by the end of this year. Thanks very much.